I'm used to, like, most of the time when I travel with guys my age or guys I know. So, like, hanging out with a younger guy, it was pretty funny. Because I remember being the younger guy on the trip, like, oh, I'm just going to be quiet. And then whenever I spoke, I would, like, say something stupid and be like, Where we went on this trip, we knew it was going to be just locals. But then we just surfed by ourselves the whole time. Like, that doesn't happen.
I was kind of tripping actually, because like you'd see guys kind of checking it and stuff, and you weren't sure like it was gonna get crowded any moment, you know. So it was like we were out there just trading barrels, and I was just kind of at one moment we just slap high five and we're like, what's going on? Like it was almost like we were dreaming, because it was so beautiful every wave that came in, you know. It was like one of those sessions. It's like that's why I surf, you know, to get barreled. So it was pretty incredible.
Me like, there's a set coming, I'm gonna try and beat it. Oh, so clean.
Red barley, oh my gosh.
Oh, did you come out of that? Dude. Oh
shit.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh, my foot slipped off. Oh my god.
Look at them clouds. Oh.
Is that the same wave? Yeah. Oh, that's the one. That's the turn I fell on.
Oh, when was that? That was bad. I didn't even see that wave. Oh. Whoa.
All right, we're here at day one at Costa Rica. We're going for a little fish and a little malfunction on the rock, but we're gonna get it solved.
I'm going swimming. That's a $5 lure. Success. 160 pounder. Ryland's first fish.
Yeah, killing the game. Yeah, to be on a trip with Brett, first time meeting him, and for him to push me in waves like that, it was really cool, like just kind of seeing what he was doing and kind of learning from him and all his knowledge and stuff. So it was a really fun trip. Love it here.
Oh, that was sick. We kind of got a lot of waves.
Take out, ready? Woo!
right here. We're starting to catch waves again, and we're like,
They were
oh, hey,
like,
there's
oh,
an
the croc.
11-foot croc out of here.
Yeah, you're like, and then he's like,
I was like, hey,
cut
you
back.
might want to like stay over here.
So I looked out and saw like a huge thing, and I'm like, all right, it's probably a log. And then but it was up on a wave, so I got a good look, and I saw like the eye, the back, and then the full tail. I was like, that's a freaking huge log. And I yelled at him. I was like, hey! And then when I looked back out, it's gone. So like when I yelled, I must have like spooked it or something. And I never saw it again. If it was a log, you would have seen it like bobbing. It's not a log.